Someone asked me, what is your desire to put this SDI? Why did you put SDI? Friends, the vision of SDI was to create a future ready new generation Odia students, Odia boys and girls to compete with the global competition. Odisha has a background. You all are fortunate, you are in the foothill of Barunai Pahad, Barunai Hill. This is the land. Do you know what happened here 200 years ago? Bakshi Jagabandhu fought a courageous battle with British Empire in this area. And 2000 years ago, Kalinga war has happened in this part of the country, this part of the geography, this part of the Odisha. The Dauli area, the Daya Nadi area is not far away. It is less than 10 kilometers from this place. More than 2000 years ago, 260 BC, actually it was 2262. James 262 BC, the Magad Empire, Samrat Ashoka invaded Odisha. And people of Odisha fought a courageous war is known as Kalinga War. In history, if you go to history, there was no king at that point of time in Odisha. There is a democratic functional system. There is democratic governance method. There is a belief, there is a folklore, there are literatures. Samrat Ashoka became, after death of 1 lakh warrior of Odisha, Samrat Ashoka became Dharmashoka, a man of peace. From man of anger to he became man of peace. But nowhere it was written Odisha or Kalinga was defeated. Nowhere in the history it was written. Ashoka converted himself to some form to another form. But we fought. This is a civilizational point, this is a historical point. These young boys and girls are the new generation Kalinga warrior, Odisha warrior of the great history.